Mommy O and Little O are going to teach you how rain happens. Yay! First, the yellow sun warms up all the bodies of water, such as lakes, rivers, and oceans. It gets so hot that it starts to have vapor, which means the droplets of the water kind of become steam and go all the way up through the sky, that it forms the clouds. They all bind together. Then once the clouds get super heavy, the rain is no longer able to stay in the clouds, so they drip, drop all the way down to the ground. Wow! Isn't